So you want to know what to pick that will turn you from a measly mortal human to a godlike status emperor. Simple, but first, welcome back, you transcendent soul. It is me, your guiding light, your Sherpa to success, getting you to your wildest dreams, where you can look out over the balcony of your mansion to your 19 cars that are just sitting on your driveway, let alone the rest of them that are in a museum because they're so rare and special. So you want to know what to pick to get you to that status, of course. So this is if you're a student, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are someone looking to better yourself, what to pick, what to focus on. Simple, math. But why? Before you click off, let me tell you, it will teach you relentlessly to rely on your brain, your problem solving, your logical thinking, to break down problems in the right way and to solve them the correct way, step by step. Because what's the point in doing things the wrong way round? Yeah, pointless. This will teach you to do it correctly, methodically, and logically. And that's exactly how us men, us women, us people should be thinking, especially if you want to be a builder of companies or you want to manage projects. It's incredibly important. And I am aware it's a short one today, but it is also incredibly practical and you can implement it immediately. I don't want to give you 30 things, fill you full of shit, and you just forget them. I want to give you one thing. You remember this, you feel it, you become it, you embody it, and you will become the you want to be. So with that being said, subscribe. Thank you for listening. Be safe, be well, and as always, I'm watching from afar, praying for your success.